So we spend all our time and money and resources to travel to the most beautiful, pristine places to drink some of the worst, nasty water. We've always had a water filtration system on our RV, but we're going from this system right here to the new Blue Technology system. And the reason why is we're trying to eliminate as much plastic as we can from our drinking water. And this just goes from the plastic canisters down to the stainless steel canisters. But having more filtered water doesn't do literally any good if you don't sanitize your system and the plumbing inside your RV. And that's where these come in from Blue Technology as well. All you're gonna do is gonna take these, you're gonna run them through your system, it's gonna sanitize it in 15 minutes, and it's gonna make sure you have good, clean, sanitized water. So like I said, we're trying to get more plastic out of our lives, so that's why we went with the stainless steel. And as a veteran myself, we always try to support veteran-owned companies with products made in the USA. So with this, the Trio system, you got the longevity. This is going to remove the larger particles to protect your other two filters. Then you have your off-grid. This is for when you take it like from not public source. You can take it from a water or a stream, but it's going to go down to 0.2 microns, and it's going to filter out all of that nastiness. And then you get Tasty, and Tasty is going to take your chlorine taste out, your sulfur smell out, and it's going to make sure that when you're drinking that water, it's the best quality water that you can get. Sanitizing is very easy. What you're going to do first is you're going to use the tool that comes with it. You're going to loosen the collar. You're going to take your filter out of your canister. You're going to take your 2 packets of your bleach-free sanitation. Reinstall it onto here. Once you've got the canister without the filter installed with it, you're going to hook your water source back up. After you've got it hooked up, this is your source water from your spigot. This is what's going into your RV itself. You're going to turn your water source back on. You're going to go inside. Now it's coming in, it's filling up your filters. It's going to go inside. You're going to turn on all your water sources, your showers, your sinks, both hot and cold, washer, everything. You're going to let it run for 15 minutes or until no foam is coming out, and you have a sanitized system. You're going to come back out. You're going to reinstall your Tasty filter. You're going to have Tasty water. The last thing you're going to want to do is sanitize your fresh water tank. The process is the same. You're going to put this into your Tasty canister without the filter. Then you're going to let your water run into there with your Nautilus system turned in to fill in the fresh water tank. Let it set for 15 minutes, pull your low point drain, and fill it back up. The whole process was very simple, very easy, and can be done by one person. It literally takes longer to wait for the water to run through your system and fill up your fresh water tank than it does to do everything else. And then you have clean, fresh, tasty water every single time.
Okay, so we've been using the filter for a few months now. Been very happy overall. It's been great. We've been in some, well, I think the Atlantic Central Coast of Florida is kind of notorious for yucky water. And with our old filter, honestly, when we were down here, because we come down here every winter, we would still go buy bottled water.
Yeah.
This year, we haven't
well
bought
water, so
yeah.
it's always got that sulfur, rotten egg
Yeah.
taste and smell.
And it's bad.
Yeah.
And like I said, even with our old triple stage filter, we would go buy the bottled water still when we're here. This year we haven't.
No.
So I didn't
Haven't
even
needed to,
yeah,
so.
I didn't even really realize that we hadn't until we started to put this video together, and I was like, we're not running to the store every few days for bottles of water because we drink a lot of water too. So I think that's probably the most ringing endorsement is that Central Florida goes water.
But it isn't just here in Central Florida. As you travel around and you're hooking up to these different campsites' water, you never know how those pipes are maintained. You never know all that. Plus your hose sets outside in the heat and all that. So this is just, it's just filtered. It's giving you cleaner, better tasting, healthier water when it comes into your into your trailer.
And especially like I said, we drink a lot of water. So it kind of means we're water snobs, I guess, when it comes down to it, because when that's most of what you drink, you want it to taste good too. And as you travel around, some places have bad water. Some places have really good water too. Kentucky, we are looking at you.
Oh, yeah.
But some, like he said too, you just never know with the individual campgrounds what you're going to run into, how well their pipes are. That can completely change everything with the water. But
We just
we've
need all
been
our
very
water
happy.
to filter through limestone.
Yes, we've been very happy with the system so far. Like you said in the video, we're trying to get the plastics out of our life. So as much as we can, obviously, because obviously there's still plastic tubing, and I'm sure somebody will point that out. There's still the pipes in the RV itself are still plastic, but we're trying to eliminate as much as we can. The filter was an important one for me to eliminate because it does sit outside in the sun and just bake in that sun, depending on where the sun's hitting. And it was something that as soon as we got the old one, I was concerned about. I just didn't know that this one existed, or we would have bought this one from the start. But very, very happy so far. Okay, so this isn't our most fun video for sure. We're not going somewhere fun. We're not talking about historic places or anything like that. But water is absolutely a necessity. So it's, might not be everybody's cup of tea for this video, but we'll be back to our normal content next time. But we did feel like this was a product that you would be interested in, and we definitely wanted to share. So if you're looking forward to the travel content, plus a few RV products like this mixed in, give us a like and follow. It really does help the algorithm, help other people find it as well. And we'll have more for you soon.
And we hope to see you out on the road.